What's going on, guys? It's your boy Aaron over at ValidPerformance. Today we are doing a install/review on a somewhat new product that just came out by FCS Race. Let's get into it. Let's see what it is. I'm excited. I haven't seen it yet myself. I wanted to open it with you guys. We're gonna get into it, see what it is. I think I saw an Instagram post on Wednesday. I ordered these Thursday, and today's Monday. So about 4 days to get here. I received shipping that same day. I was actually pretty impressed. Wow, alright, we're going to have a lot. So here they are, first thoughts. I am very impressed with the design. I love how light they are. These cannot weigh more than 2 pounds each. These are made by FCS Race. They're adjustable lower control arms. The lightest on the market right now. Fully spherical bearings to help fix a common problem known as rollover, which happens a lot, especially when you do autocross or drag. So let's go ahead and take the old ones out so we can show you guys what kind of mess we have going on back there, and compared to what a beautiful upgrade this is. I mean, I am so happy that I am so happy to have these right now. Like I said, it only took me 4 days. It literally shipped over weekend. I got it on Monday. I'm so excited that today is Monday. I got out of work like an hour ago and I'm ready to put them on now. I'm so excited to get these on and be able to test them out and see what they do, especially at the track. So let's go ahead and take these off. We have them side by side. These are actually made by Skunk 2. These are also billet lower control arms for the EK. As you see, there's a huge difference in one, design. Secondly, bushings compared to bearings. These are all type of worn out. These are falling apart already as it is. I'm actually extremely surprised to say that I weighed both of them, and this one weighs 5 pounds 4 ounces, and these weigh 5 pounds 4 ounces. That tells you a lot in structural design and integrity. These have holes drilled in between them and still weigh 5.4 ounces. So there you guys have it, the final install of the FCS Race lower control arms on the EK Coupe. I'm very happy with the way they turned out. They look absolutely amazing under there. It took about less than 10 minutes to install both of them on each side. I'm very happy with the way they look under there, and I'm sure I'm going to be very happy with the way they perform. We still have a couple more things to do underneath the hood before we could get her down low. We're hoping to have her out by the end of this month. Stay tuned, like and subscribe to the channel for a lot more product reviews.